The global home healthcare market is projected to reach $545 billion by 2031. But here's what most people don't realize: the biggest opportunities aren't in the US or Europe. They're in Asia Pacific, the fastest growing market in the world. If you're in the medical device industry or thinking about entering it, this video will break down the 5 biggest trends shaping the home medical devices market in 2026 and why now is the time to pay attention. Let's start with the numbers. The home healthcare market was valued at $335 billion in 2025. By 2026, it's expected to hit $363 billion, and by 2031, a whopping $545 billion. That's a compound annual growth rate of 8.46%, one of the fastest growing sectors in healthcare. First, aging populations worldwide. Over 70% of home healthcare spending comes from patients over 65. As the global population ages, this market will only expand. Second, rising hospital costs. In the US alone, hospital care costs have increased by over 50% in the last decade. Home care is simply more cost-effective. Third, technology advancement. Devices are getting smaller, smarter, and more affordable. What used to cost thousands in a hospital now fits on your bedside table. The first major trend: smart connectivity. In 2026, standalone devices are becoming a thing of the past. The market is moving toward connected ecosystems, devices that sync with smartphones, share data with doctors, and even use AI to detect early warning signs. Software platforms are the fastest growing segment, with a CAGR of 25%. That's faster than any hardware category. For OEM factories, this means one thing: if your devices don't have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or cloud connectivity, you're already behind. The second trend: diabetes management. No matter what industry you are in, success comes down to just 2 things: your with a CAGR of 85%. Why? Because there are over 500 million diabetes patients worldwide, and the number is growing every year. Continuous glucose monitors, smart insulin pens, and automated insulin delivery systems are all seeing massive demand. For manufacturers, this is a goldmine, but you need FDA clearance or CE marking to play in this space. The third trend: respiratory care devices. Oxygen concentrators, SPAP machines, and nebulizers are in high demand. Post-COVID, more people understand the importance of home respiratory care. And with aging populations, chronic respiratory diseases are increasing. The home oxygen market alone is expected to grow by over 7% annually through 2030. The fourth trend: hospital at-home programs. This is revolutionary. Hospitals can now bill insurance for inpatient-level care delivered in patients' homes. In the US, major health systems are launching hospital at-home programs. This creates huge demand for integrated solutions devices, monitoring, and telehealth bundled together. OEM factories that can offer complete solutions will win. The fifth trend: Asia Pacific is the fastest growing market. China, in particular, is a powerhouse for home medical device manufacturing. Chinese OEM factories produce over 60% of the world's home medical devices, and with government support for medical device exports, this dominance is only growing. If you're looking for manufacturing partners, Asia Pacific is where the action is. So what products are hot right now? Let me break down the top categories. Number 1, blood pressure monitors. The most popular home medical device worldwide. Every household needs one. Smart versions with app connectivity are the fastest growing subcategory. Number 2, pulse oximeters. Post-COVID, everyone wants to monitor their blood oxygen levels. Fingertip models are affordable and accurate. Number 3, oxygen concentrators. High demand in both developed and developing markets. Portable models are the new trend. Number 4, glucose monitors. Both traditional finger prick and continuous glucose monitors are growing rapidly. Number 5, SPAP machines. Sleep apnea affects millions worldwide, and home SPAP is the standard treatment. For OEM factories, these 5 categories represent the biggest opportunities in 2026. If you're running an OEM factory like ours, here's what you need to know: the opportunities are massive. The global market is growing at 46% annually, demand is outpacing supply in many categories. And the shift toward connected devices means higher margins. But the challenges are real too. First, certification. You need FDA 510(k) clearance for the US market, CE marking for Europe, and various other certifications. This takes time and investment. Second, quality control. Medical devices are not consumer electronics. One quality issue can destroy your reputation. You need robust QA or QC processes. Third, technology integration. Adding Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and cloud connectivity requires new expertise. It's not just about hardware anymore. The factories that will win in 2026 are those that can offer complete OEM or ODM solutions. Regulatory compliance, FDA. C. ISO 13485. Smart device integration. End-to-end quality management. The home healthcare market is booming, and the opportunity is there for manufacturers who can deliver quality, innovation, and reliability. If you found this analysis valuable, hit the subscribe button. I'll be sharing more insights on the medical device industry, manufacturing trends, and business opportunities. Drop a comment below. What product category are you most interested in? I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.